Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on one SQL interview question. So this question is asked in one of the multinational company for SQL developer position. Okay. So the question is here: can we apply join on unique key column in the table? So this is the question. So first I will show my tables here. I have three tables: employee table, department table, and address table. Okay. So in the employee table, I have ID, name. So this ID is a primary key in the employee table. Okay, name, and next department ID is unique key. Okay, at the same time, for phone number also unique key. So in the employee table, there are four columns. Out of them, first one is primary key. It is ID. ID is the primary key, and remaining three columns. Name is, we don't have any constraints on the name column, but you can see in the unique key there are two unique keys are there. So unique key is assigned for two columns: department ID and phone number. Okay. Next, coming to department table. So I have department ID, integer, primary key, and department name. So address, in the address column. So in the address column there are address ID is there, address name, and phone number. Address ID is primary key. Address name and phone number is unique key. Okay. Now, so to answer for this question, can we apply join on the unique key columns? First, we will practically see. I want to apply inner join on employee table and department table first. So, what is the common column between these two tables? Department ID is the common column. So, department ID in employee table is the unique key, and whereas the department ID in the department table is the primary key. Now, first, so I will apply the two tables. The first column is department ID is a unique key, and department ID is the primary key in department. Select. So I want to get employee ID, employee name, and department name and phone number from the employee table. Okay. So I am taking e dot id as emp id, e dot name as emp name. Next, d dot dept name is the department name, and finally phone number, e dot phone underscore number. Okay, I want to get data from for these columns from employee. My table name is employee. So here I am giving alias name as e. Join, inner join, I am applying inner join with department table dept in the on class. So here I am taking department ID. So dept ID in the employee table, which is unique key. Okay, so I am giving e dot dept ID equal to d dot dept underscore ID. So this is so here this department ID is the unique key constraint in employee table, whereas this department ID is the primary key in the department table. So here in the on class I am mapping primary key with unique key of the other table. So you can get, we are getting matching records, only matching records. So there are three rows are there in the table. In the employee table there are 3 rows. In the department ID, so for a one employee, employee ID 3, there is no department ID. That is why it is showing 2 rows only. Whereas in the department table we have 3 rows, 101, 102, 103. Okay. So if you apply inner join on a primary key and unique key, it will accept and it will give the results as per the logic. Okay. Now, so I am trying to apply one more inner join. This time I am joining employee phone number in employee table with phone number in the address table. Remember, both these are unique keys. And check the address table. So check the address table here. Address ID is a primary key here, and whereas phone number is a unique key. So in this scenario, I supposed to join both unique keys in the on class while applying the inner join. Okay. Now select. So I am taking e.id, e.name, everything I am taking here up to this one. Okay. Additionally, so I am taking address name. Address name is an address table as emp underscore address, and finally phone number. This phone number column is both in employee table and address table. Okay. From from employee from employee inner join on which table? Inner join on address table. So address table I am giving a. Okay, in the on class, so I am taking e dot phone number is equal to a dot phone number. A dot phone underscore number. Okay, so remember these two are unique keys. Phone number in the employee table is unique key constraint, and phone number in the address table also unique key constraint. Now I am applying inner join. Now you see. So all it is also get in the address table. How many rows are there in the address table? There are 3 rows. 4 rows are there, but the same phone numbers you can also see in the employee table. Same phone numbers you can also see in employee table. So in the employee table there are 3 rows are there. In the address table we can 4 rows are there, but it will take only matching rows. It will skip the null values. Okay, it will, inner join will always not considering null values. Okay, so takeaway from this demo is, even though you have primary key column with unique key column, and if you apply join with two unique key columns in two different tables, it will accept. So can we apply join on unique key column? Yes, we can. We can join. We can apply join condition on unique key columns. This is the answer. Okay. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.